Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today's it's Saturday, so we're gonna be doing the analog Saturday. So basically, we're gonna be doing analog horror reaction, maybe a bit of what theories of what comes next. After that, we're gonna be doing is gonna be watching a tornado analog horror by AQ Studio. I'll put the link down in the description so you guys want to go subscribe to their channel because they've done a lot of stuff. Without further ado, let's get right into it. As right now, I got my notebook, a scratchbook or the memo, and I got my ball pen just in case if I gotta go write the theories. During the filming of this video, 2005 Twin Tornado Incident Tornado Analog Horror, May 6, 2005, 5:33 p.m. Norman, Oklahoma. Dang, it's very cloudy in there, it seems. As I begin to wonder while I'm editing this footage, this video right now, I kind of see the flash images that's going right now. Maybe this is a distorted type of window. I'm not sure. If you're new that what's really going on in these flash frames, let me know in the comments, and I'll heart it in the comments so that you guys will get featured out. So back into the video. If I miss any of the flash images, let me know. Either put a timestamp under the comments so I'll go check it out in off camera, and maybe drop down some theories in the comments also. So let's go resume the video. What EAS alarm? What's gonna happen? Is that a tornado siren? I could have sworn that's a tornado siren in America.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado.
Ooh, tornado warning.
Western Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 7.
Is there a caption on? No, there's no caption, sadly. See, what was this about? I don't know what this flashing images about is meanings. If you know what's happening in this flashes frame, let me know because I couldn't see it that well. I'm kind of blind, you know. All right, let's continue watching. Wow, that's a big tornado. Could you imagine what living in the Americas, where literally it's spawned right next to your house, the tornado? Oh my gosh, that's big. Wow. I guess bro is on the basement. I don't know what he's looking for. What is that? He got sucked in. Wait. Let me go back. To where? Is that a tornado with? Look at that. Look at see right here. You can clearly see the green hue, whatever the cursor points at. I have never seen a tornado like that before. Normally it does like black and emptiness because of the tornado formation, but why does it have a green hue on it? That's so. Between May 3rd and May 8th, I keep pausing, I'm sorry. Between May 3rd and May 8th of 2005, 20 tornado incidents were reported across Oklahoma. 28. Within 5 days, actually. Ranging from F1s to F4s. That is insane. Living in Midwest state of America kind of sucks because of the tornadoes. Dang. In total, there were over 70 lives lost and injuries numbering in the hundreds. Dude, that's insane. The incident has been called the 2005 glowing tornado outbreak. Why is it called glowing tornado outbreak? Oh, was that because of the green? Was that because of a green glow that we see on the tornado? I'm not sure. 2005 Hunter Graves, hydrotheory.net. Okay, I'm gonna go check it out. It's actually real. Basically, reading all of this out. In May of 2005, Oklahoma was struck with an unusually violent tornado outbreak. Eyewitnesses reported seeing glowing lights within the funnels of this tornado, sparking online discussion. I'm gonna be reading more of this. More of this. A meteorologist student from University of Oklahoma analyzed storm systems and came to the conclusion that an underlying force had influenced the outbreak in some way. This underlying anomaly would be called the phenomenon. Okay, this one is gonna be kind of spoiled in the later of the video, so I'm not gonna watch or read all of this out. You guys can probably read all this out. It's called hydrotheory.net. Apparently, this website exists. This is Hunter Graves from hydrotheory.net. The footage you just saw was from an anonymous source, Edorman. They were struck head-on by an F4 tornado May 6. Thankfully, the family survived despite incredible property damage. Ow, it got sucked in. Okay, unregistered Hypercam 2 radar systems, WIN, May 6, hydrotheory. Is that what I think it is? There's multiple F4s in the area right now, which is kind of like red when it means it's really close up. That's really crazy if I think about it. This tornado was the worst of about 28 tornadoes struck Oklahoma between May 3rd and May 6th. Yeah, no kidding, it's category 4. Wait, hold on a minute. May 3rd, May 4th, May 5th, May 6th, May 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I keep pausing, I'm sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 or 19 of the F1s, and then 1, 2, 3 of the F2s, so 22. 1, 2, 3 F3s, and then 2 of the F4s. So total is 28, I'm assuming, because there's like 19 over here, or maybe 20. Yeah, I kind of have a bad. Oh yeah, this is 19 F1s. 5 of these are F2s, 4 of them are F3s, and 2 are the F4s. That's really crazy. Eyewitnesses described the storms as unusually violent. Some reported seeing green glowing lights inside its tornado. The footage sent to me from the normal storm, a green glow can be clearly seen in the footage. Oh yeah. I see it, alright. Yep. The severity of this storm system combined with the unusual glowing light makes me think something very weird is happening. How is it so? Ooh. Yo, that is a strange tornado. Why does it have a green glowing on it? This makes see. Hey gang, we got a problem mystery here. Using some basic weather software in my university's lab, I managed to create a rough simulation of the conditions during the outbreak. Alright, let us see it. I want to see. Oh, what kind of a structure is this? File sim data? I think that's what it is. Wait, Windows 64, 23 megabytes. I can't even tell what text on the blue text is. Let me know down in the comments if it's really important or not. Basically, the software is telling me that these conditions are impossible without some kind of an X factor. I need more data to prove its existence, but for now, I'm calling this anomaly the phenomenon. That is a very catchy phrase, catchy name, not gonna lie. Hydra Theory X Factor, data and all. Is that from Green Glow thing? It's almost as if the storms are just heads of a snake, but the phenomenon at the root of all this. For that reason, I'm calling this theory the Hydra Theory. Wow. So that's where it came from, huh? If we can't uncover what's behind this soon, I fear things are gonna get a lot worse. Yikes. Alright, Hunter Graves, I'm rooting for you. May 8th, Sterling, Oklahoma. Twin tornado incident. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna up volume a little bit. There's a radio chattering in the background. I can't even tell. I'm heading towards Sterling, Oklahoma, chasing a storm system from the northwest. I'm guessing this is Hunter Graves driving in the footage. I'm not sure. It probably is though, since he's the only one capable of solving this mystery of the tornado and the tornado with the glowing glow on it called the phenomenon. Oh, look at the chart. I'll hold on. I'm on my camera here just in case because oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow, there's multiple tornadoes in Sterling, Oklahoma. Yikes. That's a big of a stretch right now. I've got camera set up to capture video of the storm system. This data will help me get a better idea of what's going on. I can't even know what that was on the radio chattering in the background. Park on 2nd Avenue here to get a look at these conditions. I'll move it on the bottom right of my camera just in case. Tornado warning, emergency alert aired on local radio 620. Okay, the usual sound, okay. At around 6:30 p.m. reports of hail. Hail? That's like raining and ice. That's super dangerous. Oh my gosh. Supercell formation and rotation spotted. I got jump scared by a thunderstorm. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Am I saying things, or this forming tornado looks like it's forming a great green glow on it? I don't know. I started moving up north to northeast 19th Street, looking at funnel formation moving south over North Street. Okay. I think the newscaster what he's saying on the car radio is about the tornado warning and how to tell them about the evacuating that area or something like that, because a lot of tornadoes happen in the Midwest United States of America. I gotta be honest. Heavy rotation spotted at around 6:42 p.m. Tornado emergency declared. Second rotation hidden by rain wall. Oh, it kind of does showing that. Look at that. It kind of does showing that, but it's very faint. Like a normal naked human eye can't even see it because of the low quality of this video. That's crazy. I, I can't with the thunderstorm. I'm definitely, I'm probably afraid of that thunderstrike. It literally jump, and even flinch. All right, let's continue watching. I keep pausing. Sorry. Parked on Northeast 19th Street, looking west toward Funnel Formation. Okay. It's so loud. Tornado touchdown. Highly photogenic tornado, not rain wrapped. Oh, it's forming, alright.
Oh my god.
Tornado intercepts Sterling. Path is steady southeast. At this exact moment, the secondary funnel touches down right behind me.
We gotta go right now.
Secondary funnel forms behind Hunter Graves. Oh my gosh, my heart. Oh no, that is so scary. Look, I love natural disasters, but this is so on a lot of level. Oh my gosh. Hunter Graves, please survive. That's the phenomenon. Okay, he managed to survive. Are you okay? Hunter Graves, are you okay? Dude. There it is again, the green glow. I might have a weird theory about this twin tornado that I'm gonna be telling you guys in the end of this video. Yikes. The poor forest, dude. They got swiped. Oh my gosh, look at the freaking disaster. That is insane. The May 8th twin tornado incident left 30 people with major injuries and 76 people with minor injuries. Dang. That's worse. Okay. The first tornado touchdown was measured at F3 in strength, while the second was measured at F1. My goodness. That is crazy. Okay, Sterling, okay, path approximation. So pretty much the F3 is over here, and let's say Hunter Graves is right here, like run this direction before the second funnel already forms, and he went literally run out of its direction. So what Hunter Graves is saying that it's moving steady on the southeast and then forming into east, like they're trying to communicate here. I don't know. The cause of the green lights observed within the tornado commons remains unknown. 2,500 graves. That would have that on the grave standard. Okay, so what we have so far is the tornado analog core. Another awesome job from the AQ Studio. Again, I'll put the link down in the description so you guys go check them out, and I will tell you about the few theories that I have in mind. So we could go back to the video. Where is it at? Yeah, from this first footage. Like how the green forms emitted to the tornado with unknown reason. I have certain to believe that this classified tornadoes are going to be likely more to happen in the future dates in Oklahoma. Yeah, this is apparently the small town where Hunter Graves is right now, Sterling. This happens in the tornado. May 9, to be very specific, the tornado incident inside of this, which is kind of crazy, to F3 to F1, May 8th. Come up with a theory right now, and it's gonna be quite weird, but at this time, hopefully it does make sense to you guys. So, in the recent footage we have is Hunter Graves, and he was discovering and research about the F3 appearance and how its wreckage about anything on its path going southeast. And then the secondary one, which is the F1, which is probably one of the weakest tornadoes to have, appears to apparently right behind him, almost caught into the tornado with a green glow on it, called the phenomenon. I'm gonna get to feeling that this phenomenon has some sort of a hive mind going on. They're like trying to communicate to each other, the tornadoes, even when they're quite far away or they're quite close. I get the feeling that they communicate because normally the F3, as we saw in the video right now, is going to southeast continuously. But since the appearance of the F1, like they're trying to communicate into, like, I don't know, merging together. So perhaps they try to change their direction to east. So that's my theory right now, and I hope you enjoy my reaction. And if you want to see more of this, consider to hit the subscribe button. If you are new to this channel, it's considered free, no cost, anything that can happen to you, and it provides the support from your favorite analog horror creators. And don't forget, I have to put down the description this channel, AQ Studio, and the Hydro Theory, so go check them out. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.